Hey gorgeous ones, hey gorgeous ones. Okay, so welcome to my June All Eyes on Me challenge thing. I don't know what I'm calling it. If you have any ideas for this, please put it in the comment box. But anyway, the idea is that I wanted to do every day in June, I'm going to be posting up a new eye look. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I really felt like I wanted to really start using my eyeshadows more and really, share what I'm doing. Because since y'all said y'all like the way I do my eyes, I said, well, shit, girl, you might as well do them anyway. So this is the very first look. I went neutral for the first one. I wanted to make it a little more neutral for the first look because I know I've been doing all these bright looks, but you got to have a little balance, And if you like this concept, please give it a thumbs up. Any comments you have, any suggestions you have, because you kind of know some of the stuff I have. So if you have any, that you want to see, any palettes that you really want to see of mine, and maybe I'll put up my eyeshadows for this summer. And damn, am I looking pale today? I don't know what's going on with my makeup. I don't know if it's the lighting. I don't know what's going on. So I hope you all can see this good because I don't know. It's not, I don't know if I like it that much. Oh, well, anywho, let's start June All Eyes on Me. You? I don't know what it is. All right, let's start the first one. Thank you. Why did I say thank you, y'all? See you later. Hold on. Let's watch the video. How about that? All right, so let's get started. I'm using the Lorac Mega Pro 4 to do this with. And the first thing I'm going to do is my transition is going to be butterscotch. So let's get that butterscotch going. And then next up is I decided that I wanted to go with mocha on top of that because the butterscotch is really pretty much my skin complexion. So I decided to do a little mocha on top of that. Ooh, my eyebrows is looking kind of good today. So the eyebrows are always such an issue. Now the Lorac Mega Pro, Lorac is very good, but they're powdery but blendable. So they can be really powdery, but they are very blendable, as you can see, because I really didn't have any problems blending them. Now for my crease, I'm going to go with Spice, because I was going for a really warm toned look for this. So, a little spice right there and putting it in the crease. Now next up is the outer corner. Outer corner, you got to do that dark chocolate because you want that dark brown or black to deepen up the outer V. And so I'm using my little elf crease brush for that. And I'm gonna blend it in a little bit just to make sure it blends in a little better. I don't know what I was doing over there. There you go, Louise. Get it in the V, child. Get it in the V. Let's do that right now. There we go. Blend it, Louise. What were you doing, child? Okay, that's better. That's better. Now we're going to add a little more spice to that crease to blend in the dark chocolate, just so it's a better blend on that corner. Now I'm using the I Love Brunch palette by Lorac, and I'm putting an avocado toast on my lid, because I want avocado. The I Love Brunch palette was last season, and they last year at this time in spring, and it's pretty much a new pastel kind of matte palette. They're not the best, but they're okay. They're not super pigmented, but they're decent. Okay, so now next up I want to layer on top of them another color. So what I'm going to do is spray my I don't know, what am I saying to myself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use I think that's honey as I'm doing first, and I'm going to put that on the inner part of my lid. I sprayed my brush first, and I'm layering honey on top of the avocado toast on the inner corner, inner half of my eyelid. Just trying to see if I could create a little different like depth to it, because honey's like a gold color, a shimmer, like a metallic, but I wanted to like layer that over the avocado toast to give it like a little different look. Then next up I'm doing moss on the outer part of the lid. Just wanted to make sure that I had a, you know, a nice blend on it. And so then I'm going to take the spice just to blend those edges out just a little bit, not, you know, just a little bit of shadow on the brush, and then I'm going to blend it, add a little more mocha to the upper eyelid, you know, the upper brow, you know what I'm saying. And now I'm going to smoke out the bottom with a little of the dark chocolate. I'm sorry, with the mocha, and then I'm going to, first I did the mocha, and then I'm doing the dark chocolate at the outer thirds of the lower lash line. And just smoking it out a little bit, just so, you know, I don't have a, you know, so it all blends together. And now I'm going to take copper pearl and use that in my inner corner. Now the only thing was, when I was using it, it was kind of funny acting and left a big chunk of powder. Like on one of my eyes, it was just like this big huge chunk of powder. I don't know what that was about, but here is the final look. I hope you, let me know what you think of it. Do you like it? It was pretty simple, but I kind of like it for an everyday look. Once again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Thanks again. It's LuuLuu. May you have a great day. May life treat you kind.